MS and your entitlement to your ERISA long-term disability benefits. Hey, I'm Nancy Cavey, and I'm a national ERISA disability attorney who specializes in MS cases. I will tell you that disability carriers don't understand the MS diagnosis, its presentation, progression, and the restrictions and limitations that can impact your ability to do your own or any occupation. Now, MS is a progressive disease of the central nervous system, and as a result of demyelinization, there is a disruption of the flow of information within your brain and between your brain and your body. This disruption can impact your ability to work because it can result in problems with balance, coordination, visual issues, spasms, and it can include some significant cognitive issues. Disability carriers also try to apply a sort of a one-size-fits-all approach, and they do not understand the diagnosis of MS. They don't understand the impact that it has progressively over the course of the disease, and they don't understand the treatment. Let's talk specifically about what they don't understand as it relates to the different types of MS. As I've said, they tend to lump everything under a big umbrella, and they don't understand the four types of MS. There is the relapsing remitting MS, primary progressive, secondary progressive, and progressive relapsing MS. Now, we know that the symptoms can differ from one person to the other, even if they have the same type. So there is really no one-size-fits-all. Also problematic is the fact that MS is both episodic and it is progressive. Disability carriers like to seize on the episodic nature of MS, particularly in the early stages, to deny claims. They may say, look, well, you've had one episode, but it's been a long time since you've had another episode. So in this time frame, you are not disabled and we're going to deny your benefits. Also, as the disease progresses, they don't necessarily understand how the progression of the symptoms increases and how perhaps in the case of relapsing remitting, the period of remission gets smaller and smaller. It's really important that you're working closely with your doctor to document your symptoms, your functionality, and the progression of the disease, particularly with objective testing. We work closely in the MS community here in Florida with the physicians who regularly evaluate and treat MS patients, but I represent MS patients all across the United States. If you have any questions about your rights to benefits, please give us a call at 727-894-3188. We've also got a booklet that you can download that will provide you with information, and we have a YouTube channel where I've got lots of video on MS. We look forward to helping you get the disability benefits you deserve, regardless of where you live in the United States. 727-894-3188.